Up everyone, welcome to Nodes and welcome to another video on Nodes. And in this video, it is an announcement that I am leaving all those famous IDEs like VSCode, Cursor, WebStorm, and IntelliJ IDEA. And I am leaving all those IDEs because now I have practiced a lot on Vim, and I think now it's a good time to move your development stuff from all those IDEs back to new Vim because it is the best, I would say, IDE available for development of your web projects. And the reason is quite simple because if you know Vim, you are way faster as compared to native coding with your traditional shortcuts. And if you know Vim, and then if you include Neovim into your setup by using all the distros like LazyVim or maybe like another which is AstroVim, things get a lot faster and you can accomplish a lot of things without leaving your keyboard. So the whole agenda is that you will be using 90% of your keyboard stuff, your keyboard Vim bindings in all these IDEs as compared to mouse and click, right? So let me show you the example over here. So let's say if I go to my another directory, so it's desktop projects, and if I go to any, let me just list down if there are any projects over here. So let me go to demo nest. I was trying this, and over here you can just type nvim, and this is what the LazyVim looks like. Just ignore the notification for now, but this is how the development experience look like. And now over here, all the, I would say, your development setup is 90% based on the keyboard, right? You don't have to leave your keyboard and go to mouse. So what I do is, so this is just an, I would say, a plain NestJS application started from scratch. So if you just type space E, space is the leader key for, I would say, LazyVim. And if you type space key, this will open the file explorer. And if you just type space E again, it will collapse that, right? And if you just want to search any file, so it's space F and F, which will go, and over here you can search, I would say, any file using that telescope plugin right over here. So if I type main.ts over here, you can see I am directly into my main.ts file. And over here, I can use all the Vim key bindings and can change the code right over. So if you jump word for word, or let's say I want to delete this word, this is deleted, and if I want to undo, it's just U for undo, right? So all the Vim bindings over here work. So the great thing about this is that your mind flows with all those bindings and you get a lot more productive as compared to all those IDs, right? So from now onwards on my channel, I will try my best to record all the videos in this IDE, which is the LazyVim, because it gives you a lot more productivity as compared to all those IDs like VSCode. And apart from that, it also increases your mind flow. Things flow in your mind as compared to using all those native IDs like VSCode, right? So now over here, let's say if you want to go to the definition of this function over here, you can type GD for that and it will go and take you to the definition of where this function lives. And you can just read the documentation over here, which is quite, I would say, fast as compared to control and click, right? And so what I can do is I can search for another file. So let's say this time I don't know what controllers are available. So if I just type controller, it will go and search for all the controller files which are available, right? So if you just enter over here, you can come over here. Might want to go into app service. So GD for app service, and you can directly jump to app service and you can see that what functions are available here, right? And apart from that, if you just type space and S, you can get the whole structure of the file, what functions are available and what things are over there. And if you just type enter over, it will just take you to the straight back to that function, right? So this is, I would say, a lot more I would say features available over here. And regarding the terminal, you can just type space FNT. This will open you a terminal, and you can just type and run all the commands. So let's say if I type pnpm run and dev, and this will go fire up your dev, I would say, NestJS application development board. Right now it's not working. It's because I've changed this to colon dev. So let me just type colon dev over here, and this will go and run your NestJS application development mode. That's how the terminal looks like. Just clear the screen and exit terminal from here, and this will go and exit your terminal. And if you want to split your screen to vertical, so it's like space and W and then V for vertical split, and you can see that right now I'm side by side, right? And if you want to read this window, so it's space W and D, and this will go and delete that window right over here, okay? And that's how fast it is by using all those keyboard combinations. Again, you have to train your muscle memory on that, but the good part is that as you train yourself on Vim and all these key bindings, you will get a lot more faster as compared to other native IDEs like VS Code, right? So from coming on videos, or from coming on, I would say, series which I want to cover, maybe using Nest or maybe any other framework I want to cover, I would be using LazyVim right from scratch, because this will help a lot in, I would say, getting faster onto the, I would say, productivity side of things, right? So yeah, that's all. Hope to see you in the next video, and there is a lot coming on Notes, so do subscribe and like the channel. Thanks for watching.